Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, guys. How are you guys doing and how is your day? Okay guys, so if you're new, you're welcome, and if you're returning, you are a darling, guys. Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you some secret food to eat and enhance your chances of conceiving. Okay, now I know that babies actually come from God Almighty. Yes, I believe that. Okay, but also we have to know that the food we eat actually contributes to our daily life. Okay, so if you're actually taking some good food that will enhance you up and make you healthy, okay, all of your body is going to be healthy. Now if you're actually taking some bad food, junks and stuff, you're going to be noticing that you're going to be seeing the opposite. So that's why you have to try this my combo pack, to enhance your chances of conceiving. Okay, so before we get into the video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and thumbs up, turn on the post notification and click all. Okay, now let us go. So do you know some secret and amazing foods that you can actually combine together to eat, and is going to help you when it comes to pregnancy? Now, do you know that, well, we know that children are from God, our Heavenly Father, but also what we eat actually contribute to our good health, okay, to our good home. When you take too much of those bad foods, it tends to make your uterus develop some stones here and there, which may be fibroid and stuff. So some good food actually helps you stay healthy and prepare you for pregnancy, basically. So this is one of them, and this is avocado. Now, do you know that avocado is actually very, very helpful? It's actually one of the helpful ingredients that would make you stay really healthy, and it would help you to glow also. So what a delicious avocado. It tastes really great. So what we're going to do, I'm going to be removing this side. And then after that, I'm going to mash it. Mash it very smooth. Okay, so now the next thing is orange. Now orange contains a whole lot of vitamins, and it helps so much for the body. So taking much orange every day would help you, guys. It will also help your skin. It will help you stay healthy. It will help you stay fit, because when you're not fit, you're practically not healthy. Okay, so you need to stay healthy to be fit. So I'm gonna be cutting the orange into two. And I'm gonna grab a strainer. I'm gonna be straining the orange into the avocado. Now orange these days contains a whole lot of juice. 15 minutes. So I'm gonna be squeezing in the orange into the avocado. This is a whole lot of juice. So what you do is that you're gonna mix this up. So I'm literally gonna be using my manual mixer, okay, so but it is not properly mixed because the avocado was not smooth initially. And then I'm gonna be making use of lettuce. Okay, lettuce leaf is actually very, very healthy. Okay, and it also helps for weight loss. It improves your heart health, and it also helps to eliminate any fibroid or whatsoever growing in your uterus. Okay. So after washing, then I'm going to dice it. Alright, so after that, we're gonna be putting in just a little water, and then we are equally going to be blending this. So after which you blend your lettuce, it's gonna be super duper greenish. And then we're going to sieve it out. Although even if you don't sieve it out, you can actually drink it that way because the lettuce leaf is very healthy. Okay guys, so after that, then you're going to be needing some peanuts. Okay, this is actually a fried peanut. You need fried peanuts a whole lot, guys. Okay, so I'm actually going to be putting the peanuts into the blender, and I'm gonna be using the avocado juice plus the avocado plus the orange juice to blend my peanuts. This is how it is. It looks really, really nice and yummy. And then I'm gonna grab a cup. I'm gonna be pouring this in. This is peanuts, avocado, and orange, and then the lettuce leaf. We're equally going to be making use of some coconut oil. Okay, now oil is very good for the body, especially coconut oil. So you're going to be putting a little of your coconut oil. Now it has to be organic coconut oil, okay? Or you can actually make your own coconut oil from your house. Okay, so you can drink this to enhance you up. You drink this to, get pregnant. You drink this to eliminate all of those fibroids. You drink this to stay healthy. Drink this to stay fit, and it's actually very, very yummy. So I can't wait to have a tea. It is so super delicious, guys. Like, I literally eat lettuce leaf almost, you know, in between the days. And then granite, I do it a whole lot. But of course, if you are suffering from pimples and you don't know how to get rid of that, you might actually decide to use the fresh granite instead of the fried granite. But for this particular ingredient, the fried granite is actually very good. Okay, so go give this a go. I pray to God and eat healthy, do a little bit of exercise, and you are on your way to having your bundle of joy. Right, guys, so you see, this is actually very healthy and this is very thick, so it's something that you can actually, you know, mix together, use a spoon and just enjoy yourself, while you know that you're actually keeping yourself healthy and you're actually taking some very good food that would enhance your chances. Okay, so it is actually very important, healthy, and very nutritious. We, you know, take this. Yeah, okay guys, so if you love the video, don't forget to smash on that like button, subscribe here, turn on the post notification and click all, and don't forget to share this video. Okay, and I'll see you again. Bye guys.